Hi, in this video we are going to talk about conditional statement in Python. We have three keywords over here, if, elif and else. To check the condition we use the if block. So if condition 1, just provide the indentation and use your expression 1 over here. Similarly, if you have multiple condition, you can use else if, of which we say elif, put the condition over here and use the expression 2. And if all the conditions are false, then it goes to else block and runs expression 3. For example, we have to create a program to check whether this number is positive or not. Consider we have one variable called num is equal to 10. Okay. So first thing is we have to check whether this number is greater than 0 or not. So we will say number is greater than 0. Then we will say print true. Okay. And else we will say print false. Okay, just try to run this code. So it is saying true because this number is greater than 0. Now consider we have a scenario number is equal to 0. So we have not handled that case. So it is returning false. So considering it, let's create one more condition over here. For example, else if num is equal to 0 and print 0 in this case. And now just try to run this code. So it is saying 0. You can have multiple conditions or the nesting of if block. For example, if that number is greater than 0 and if that number is equal to 5, print 5 else true. So you can have if num is equal to 5, you can say print 5 else we will say print true, and just try to run this code with num is equal to 5. It is saying 5. Okay. We also have a sweet syntax for if block. Okay. So it is something like if that expression is valid, expression 1. So instead of providing the indentation, we say expression 1 if the condition is valid, okay, else expression 3, right? But we have multiple conditions, okay. So we can also provide one if block over here. So we can say that yes, else we can have expression 2 if condition 2 else expression 3. Now just try to write this code into this one liner. Okay. So first of all, I'll delete these parts to create some space. Okay. So what we need to do is we need to first check whether this number is greater than 0 or not. So first of all, we will say that is expression 1 if that number is greater than 0, else we have to say this print false. So we will copy this and paste it over here. Great. Now we have one more condition over here, num is equal to 0. So we will say else print 0 if that num is equal to 0, else print false. Okay, we can remove this part, it is not an issue. Now we have to make one liner for this statement as well. So here what we will say, print 5, let's write this. Okay, print 5 if that num is equal to 5, else what we need to print true. Okay. So instead of like utilizing this 5 to 13 line, we can use line number 15 itself. So that is the equivalent. So in this way you can use the conditional statement in Python. If you have any doubt, then please let me know in the comment sections. But before that, let's verify the output. So you can say that 5 considering it is 0 0 0 0 0, great. Considering this is num 9 10, then it should say false false. Great. Yeah. Okay, then stay tuned for further updates. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.